Welcome back, superstars. You sure are looking shinier from all that learning. Yesterday, we learned a new word, separate. Do you remember what that word means? If you said take apart, you're right. Just like you took apart my learning buddies into two different baskets. In today's lesson, you are going to learn another way to represent subtraction. You hear that? Our vocab alert! We're going to learn a new word. Today's new word is takeaway. Can you say it with me? Takeaway. Great job. To help us understand this new word, let's use my basket of learning buddies. This time, instead of separating them into a different basket, I'm going to take them away. To take away means to get rid of it, like this. And that's what it means to take away. Do you hear that again? It's a vocab alert 2 in 1 day. You guys really are going to be superstars. Our next vocab word is subtraction sentence. Can you say it with me? Subtraction sentence. You can use a subtraction sentence to represent your math story when you're all done. I think that means it's time for us to check out our math story so you can learn how to write a subtraction sentence. Let's go. What do you see? I see bees. Let's count to see how many. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bees. What happened? You're right. Some of the bees flew away. In fact, 3 of the bees flew away. When they flew away, we could call that taking away. That's that vocab word. Now the question is, how many bees are left? You're right. There are 3 left. Now, I could show this with a subtraction sentence. You're right, that's our next vocab word. I could say 6 take away 3 is 3. The 6 tells how many I started with. Take away 3 means 3 flew away. Is 3 tells you how many are left. Let's see how we could show this with counters. How are the counters the same as the bees? You're right, there are 6 counters just like there were 6 bees. What do you think the X's represent? You're right, the X's represent 3 bees flying away. I could use the same subtraction sentence. 6 take away 3 is 3, because there are still 3 left over. Let's try another problem. What do you see? I see ladybugs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ladybugs. What happened? You're right. 3 ladybugs flew away. I could say we took away 3 ladybugs. Now the question is, how many ladybugs are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ladybugs left. Here's a subtraction sentence that I could write. 7 take away 3 is 4. What does the 7 represent? The 7 represents all of the ladybugs. What does it mean when it says take away 3? You're right, it means that 3 flew away. And what does the 4 represent? Right again, it's the ladybugs that are still there. Let's show this with counters. How many counters do you think I should start with? You're right, 7 counters. The only difference is it's counters, not ladybugs. What could I draw on the counters to show that the ladybugs flew away? I could draw X's. Since 3 flew away, I would draw 3 X's. Are there still 4 left over? You're right, it's just a different way of showing it. So the subtraction sentence would be the same. 7 take away 3 is 4. Can you try to read that with me? 7 Take away 3 is 4. Now it's your turn. In your homework, practice taking away. Then write a subtraction sentence to match. When you're done, practice reading the sentence. Thanks for learning with me. Bye, friends.